pain on my left hip.
How long has it been there?
Probably a year and a half.
Does it go down into your leg? Does the pain go down into your leg?
Yes.
Is there any numbness?
No.
Any tingling?
No.
Okay. Do you have any headaches?
No.
Okay. I'm going to get you to go head face down. This particular table is called a facet release table. It's going to feel a little different than what you've been used to. There's a motorized unit that's going to take you up and down. At any point in time, if you're uncomfortable, you let me know and I'll stop what I'm doing.
But I do have pain on my knee.
Okay.
And sometimes on my feet.
On the side of your leg here?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Right here.
Let's get it fixed up. You ready?
Okay, yes.
Okay, you're going to feel a little bit of stretching across the lower back as the table lifts up. It might be a little achy. I don't want it to be painful. Remember to stop me if there's anything uncomfortable. This alone is going to help to provide a very gentle style of manipulation. Some patients can only tolerate this, and it's very effective, but we're going to take it to another level because I see you can tolerate more. The soreness in here, you feel that?
Yes.
This is all compensating for a problem in here.
Yes.
Your pelvis here is
Yes.
rotated because of
Yes.
this tension here. Okay.
Yes, and I feel a lot of pain over there.
Okay, hang in there. Deep breath. And blow out. Okay, I want you to lay down on this side, face the cabinet for me. Okay, relax your hip.
Oh.
Let's turn the other way. On your back. Okay, when your back is off, your hip is off, it makes your feet misalign as well. So we're going to do some adjustments in your feet. You have 25 joints inside of your feet. We're going to work on some of them, okay?
Okay. Oh.
Give me of your hands, please. Hold on to my wrists. What's your hands here? Can you drop your shoulder a little bit? Doing good. One more time. Let your head relax. You sit behind a desk a lot?
Yes.
Okay. So, to help you hold the benefits of the manipulation, I've got to teach you some exercises for that. Simple things you can do every day that'll help hold the manipulation, okay?
Okay.
That way, when you see your chiropractor, you can go in telling them you still feel good.
Okay.
How's that sound?
Good.
Let's go ahead and sit up.
Thank